Jeff Hansen, Window Warriors Forum. Check us out, windowcleaningwarriors.com. Today we're going to take a look at washing a larger piece of glass. I always tell people efficiently, you got to make a profit, being fast. Fast doesn't mean you bust your tail out there. So when you wet a window down, wet it least amount of strokes. Very simple. Your pattern can also be least amount of strokes. Finish off in detail. It can be very simple. You don't have to sit here and scrub away, scrub everything down. How many times? Obviously, the dirtier the window, the more you got to scrub it. A lot of the times people over scrub their window, so they're scrubbing this. By that time, we're already done in the first instance. So another thing that they'll do is they over squeegee, stopping here, coming up. They over fan. Over fanning, what does this do? It does nothing for you. If you want to do something cool and fancy and whatever, go ahead and over squeegee that. But if you're trying to just be efficient, wet it down with the same pattern each time. Nothing very tough. If you want to go a second pass, if maybe they're a little dirtier, you could also do that. But when it comes down to squeegeeing, using the most use out of the size of the squeegee that you have, efficient process wins every time. The more efficient you are, the faster you're going to be, the more profitable you're going to be. Simple, quick method. Patterns. Wetting it down is a pattern. Squeegeeing is the same pattern. Duplicate, repeat. It's out here, Window Warriors Forum.